What do you say in English when you shop online?
Stay with us and you'll learn simple, real sentences you can use right away.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We're so happy you're here today. I'm Ben.
And I'm Rose. Before we start, if you're enjoying learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us and keeps us making more lessons for you.
So today's topic is something we all do, shopping online.
Right, and we're going to talk about it slowly with examples, stories, and useful words. And don't worry, we'll explain new words right away, step by step.
So let's start. Rose, let me ask you something. Do you like shopping online?
Yes. Actually, I really like shopping online. Actually means in truth or to be honest.
Yeah? Why do you like it?
Well, first of all, it's easy. I can shop at home on my sofa with my phone.
On the sofa. That sounds comfortable. Comfortable means feeling relaxed and good.
Exactly. I don't need to go outside, I don't need to drive, and I don't need to wait in long lines. Lines means queues where people wait.
Ah, yes, waiting in lines can be annoying. Annoying means a little angry or tired about something.
Right. And online, I can shop anytime, morning, night, even at midnight.
Midnight means 12 o'clock at night.
Yes. So Ben, what about you? Do you like shopping online?
Well, actually, yes, but also no. Let me explain.
Okay, go ahead.
I like online shopping because it's fast. I can find what I want quickly.
That's true.
But sometimes I miss shopping in a real store
Oh, interesting. Why do you miss it?
because I like to see things with my eyes and touch them with my hands.
Ah, touch means feel with your hands.
Exactly. For example, clothes. When I buy clothes online, sometimes the size is wrong.
Oh, yes, that happens to me too. Actually, let me tell you a short story.
Oh, I like stories. Go ahead.
So last year, I wanted to buy a jacket.
Okay.
I saw a really nice jacket online. It was blue, my favorite color.
Blue is a good color.
Yeah, and the price was good too.
Sounds perfect so far.
Yeah, so I ordered it.
And then?
Well, when it arrived, it was too small.
Oh no.
Yeah, I felt really disappointed.
That's not a good feeling.
No, it's not. So I had to return it.
Was it easy to return?
Not really. I had to print a paper and then go to the post office.
Yeah, that takes time.
Exactly. But in the end, I got my money back.
Well, that's good at least.
Yeah, so online shopping is easy, but sometimes there are problems.
By the way, when you said favorite color, what does favorite mean?
It means the one you like the most.
And you said the price was good. What's price exactly?
It's how much money something costs.
Got it. And ordered it means you bought it online, right?
Yes, exactly. I asked to buy it online.
When you said it arrived, you mean it came to your house?
Yep, that's right.
You also said you felt disappointed.
Yeah, that's when you feel sad because something isn't what you wanted.
And return it means send it back to the shop?
Exactly.
One more thing. Print a paper?
That means making a paper copy of something.
Thanks. That makes everything clear.
No problem.
That's a really good example, Rose. And it shows something important.
What's that?
When we shop online, we often read reviews.
Oh, yes. Reviews are very important.
I always read reviews before I buy something.
Me too. If many people say this product is bad, I don't buy it.
Exactly. Reviews really help.
Yeah, and sometimes they help you choose the right size or color.
That's true.
Another word we often hear is delivery.
Yes, fast delivery is very popular.
Some shops even say delivery in 1 day.
One-day delivery? That's amazing.
It really is. Now, let's take a look at some key words from the conversation. When you said reviews, what are reviews exactly?
They're opinions from other buyers about a product.
What about delivery?
That's when the shop sends the item to your home.
And when we say popular?
It means many people like it.
Got it. Reviews and delivery really matter when shopping online.
Exactly.
Okay, Rose, let's talk about routines.
Good idea.
What is your online shopping routine?
Well, usually I shop online on the weekend.
Same here.
I sit down with my phone or laptop.
Uh-huh.
First, I check what I need.
That's smart.
Then I compare prices.
Yes, comparing prices saves money.
Exactly. After that, I read reviews, choose the product, and pay.
And then you wait for delivery?
Yes, waiting is the hardest part.
It really is. Now, let's take a look at some important words.
Okay. First, routine. What does it mean exactly?
It's something you do often, regularly.
And compare?
It means to look at two or more things to see which is better.
Saves money. Does that just mean not spending too much?
Yes, exactly.
Pay means give money for something, right?
Yes. How do you feel when you shop online?
Usually excited.
I feel excited too, especially when I buy something I really want.
Yes, and when the package arrives, it feels like a gift.
Exactly. But sometimes I feel worried.
Yes, that happens too.
Like, will it arrive on time, or will it be good quality?
That's very normal.
Okay, now let's talk about some important words.
Okay, first, excited. What does that mean?
It means happy and looking forward to something.
A gift, that's the same as a present, right?
Yes, exactly.
Worried means feeling nervous or afraid something bad will happen.
Exactly.
And quality.
It's how good something is. Okay, Rose. How do you usually pay when you shop online?
I usually pay by card.
Same here. I use my debit card.
Yes. Some people use credit cards.
Right. And sometimes people use online wallets.
Like PayPal or similar services?
Yes, exactly. When I pay online, I always check the website first.
Uh-huh.
I check if the website is safe. Now, let's take a look at some important words.
Okay. First, card. That's a bank card or credit card, right?
Yes, exactly.
Debit card means it uses your own money from the bank?
Yes,
And credit card lets you pay now and pay later.
exactly.
Online wallet, what's that?
It's an app or service that stores your payment information.
Like PayPal or similar services.
Yes, exactly.
Check means look carefully, right?
Yes, that's right.
You know that safety is very important.
Yes. One important word here is secure.
When a website is secure, your information is protected.
Information, like your name or card number.
I always look for a small lock sign.
If I don't see it, I don't buy anything.
That's a very good habit.
Thank you. I also don't use public Wi-Fi.
Yes, I only shop online at home.
At home is safer. All right, let's go over some important words.
Okay, first, safety. What does it mean?
It means being protected from danger.
Secure means safe and protected, right?
Yes, exactly.
Information is details about you, like your name or card number.
Yes, that's right.
A lock sign? What's that?
It's a symbol that shows the website is secure.
Habit means something you do often, right?
Exactly.
Public Wi-Fi means internet in places like cafes or airports.
Yes. By the way, everyone, if this conversation is helping you understand how to talk about shopping online in English,
And if you feel more confident already,
please take a second to like this video.
It really helps us know that you enjoy this lesson and want more content like this.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's continue.
Actually, Rose, I remember a small problem I had.
Oh, what happened?
Well, a few years ago, I bought headphones.
Okay.
The price was very low.
That sounds good, or maybe too good?
Exactly. Too good to be true.
Uh-oh.
Yes, I paid, but the product never arrived.
Oh no.
I felt angry and disappointed.
That's understandable.
I learned something important that day.
What did you learn?
If a price is very, very low, be careful. Now, let's take a look at some important words.
Low price just means cheap, right?
Yes, exactly.
Too good to be true. What does that mean?
It means it looks good, but it's probably not real or safe.
Never arrived means it did not come.
Yes, that's right.
Disappointed, I know. It's feeling sad because something didn't happen like you wanted.
Exactly.
Be careful means pay attention and protect yourself?
Yes, perfect.
That's a great lesson. Now, let's help our learners with some simple sentences.
Yes, these are sentences you can use when shopping online.
For example, I want to buy this item. Item means a thing or product.
Good one. Another sentence is, how much is the delivery? Or you can say, when will it arrive? Here's another useful one. I want to return this product.
Return means send it back.
And a very common one, this item is too big, or this item is too small.
Very useful for clothes.
Rose, do you use apps or websites more?
I usually use apps
Why do you prefer apps?
because they're fast and easy, and I get notifications.
Yes, like discounts.
I love discounts.
Me too. I also like websites, especially on a laptop.
Laptop screens are bigger.
Exactly. Now let's take a look at some key words from the conversation.
Okay, first, apps. Those are programs on your phone or tablet, right?
Yes, exactly.
Notifications means messages that tell you something new.
Yes, like alerts or updates.
Discount is a lower price, right?
Exactly.
How do you feel when you click Pay Now?
A little nervous.
Yes, I always double check.
I check the price, the item, and the address.
After I pay, I feel relieved.
Exactly. Okay, now let's talk about some important words.
Okay, first, nervous. That means a little scared or worried, right?
Yes, exactly.
Double check means check 2 times.
Yes.
Address is where you live.
Yes, correct.
And relieved means feeling relaxed because a worry is gone.
Exactly.
By the way, here's a small tip.
Ooh, I like tips.
When you shop online, read things in English.
That's a great idea.
Product descriptions, reviews, buttons like Add to Cart.
Add to cart means put the item in your shopping list.
Yes, it's real English practice.
Real practice is the best practice. Rose, let's start with something positive.
Okay, I like that.
Can you tell us about a good online shopping experience?
Sure. Last month, I bought a book online.
A book. Nice.
Yes, I love reading before bed.
Same here.
I ordered the book on Monday, and it arrived on Wednesday.
That's fast.
Yes, very fast. The delivery was quick.
The book was in good condition?
Yes, no damage.
That's a perfect experience.
Exactly. I felt happy and satisfied.
Now, let's take a look at some important words.
Okay. First, positive. That means good and happy, right?
Yes, exactly.
Bed means the place where you sleep.
Yes?
Quick means fast.
Exactly.
Condition? What does that mean?
It's how something looks or works.
Damage means something broken or hurt.
Yes.
Satisfied? That's feeling happy because something is good enough.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's talk about the other side.
The bad side?
Yes. Have you had a bad experience?
Yes, unfortunately.
Oh, really? What happened?
I once bought a pair of shoes online.
Shoes can be tricky.
Exactly. The picture looked great.
Pictures can be misleading.
Yes, when the shoes arrived, they looked very different.
Oh, no.
The color was wrong and the quality was bad.
That's not fun.
No, it isn't. I felt disappointed again.
Now, let's take a look at some important words.
Okay, first, unfortunately. What does that mean?
It means sadly or unluckily.
Tricky. That means a little difficult, right?
Yes, exactly.
Misleading means not showing the truth?
Right. Something looks better than it really is.
Different just means not the same?
Yes.
Disappointed, feeling sad because it wasn't what you expected?
Yes, that's right.
Rose, before we finish, I want to talk a little about preferences.
Sure.
For example, I prefer buying books and electronics online.
They make sense.
I like reading reviews and comparing prices.
I prefer buying clothes in real stores.
Because you can try them on?
Yes, exactly.
But for small things like skincare or home items.
I love shopping online.
Yeah, it saves time. Now let's take a look at some important words.
Okay, first, preferences. What does that mean?
It means things you like more than others.
Electronics. That's things like phones, headphones, or computers, right?
Yes, exactly.
Try them on. That means putting clothes on your body to see if they fit.
Right.
Home items. What are those?
They're things you use in your house.
And saves time means you don't use too much time.
Yes, that's right.
So, Rose, let's quickly review what we talked about.
Okay, first we talked about what online shopping is.
Then we talked about why people like it.
We talked about convenience.
Convenience means something that is easy and helpful.
We also talked about problems.
And how being polite helps a lot.
Yes, simple English can solve real problems.
Okay, we're almost at the end.
If this lesson helped you,
Please like this video.
subscribe to English Mindset.
Leave a comment and tell us what you like to buy online.
And don't forget to watch another video on the channel.
Learning a little every day makes a big difference.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
See you in the next lesson.